Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a little bit of an issue with the Fusion. It's typical with many Ford Fusions. Just Fords in general, actually, to be honest with you. Scotty Kilmer just came out with a video about the same issue that I'm having, that I had to wait for the part to come in. He did it before me, even though, I'm just kidding, that doesn't make a difference. He's a lot bigger than I am. So anyway, so what happens is come into the car here, and the vehicle, it just wants to stall me. It's such a rough idle, it's pretty bad. So I'll show you right now. It's just it's pretty bad. So gonna shut that off. So what you want to do is, you know, come down here. We're gonna plug in the code reader here. Alright, so after you plug in the code reader, I got P2119 throttle actual control. So pretty much it is my throttle body. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna change that right on out. So for this car, the throttle body is located right about here. It's held on by 4 bolts and a plug, and that's about it. It's pretty simple and easy to do. So this is only gonna take probably about like 5 minutes to do, not even. So let's get to it. So you're gonna take off the hose clamp here, flathead, pop that off, ear box, 4 clips right on the side. Take that off the side here. Honestly, you can probably just leave it just like that. There's a little pin, red pin here on the side. Just gonna go ahead, flip that right on up, right about here, and you're just gonna go ahead, pull that tab right out, and the full bolts, boom, boom, boom. So let's see here. All right. Come on. And it's just 8mm bolts, 4 of them, and it comes right off just like that. Don't drop the bolts. All right, so pop them out. I mean, this is like super easy to do. Anyone can do it. It's right on the top. I mean, there's no taking crap apart to get to or anything like that. And then there's gonna be a little gasket right on inside here. Super cheap and easy to replace. Always want to replace gaskets as you're gonna remove stuff from them. Let's see here. Get my gasket pick right here. Perfect. Okay. Oh. Oh, come on. It's just doing this because I'm just one-handing this thing. There we go. Okay, well, that dropped and fell in there. As always, you're going to compare the parts. They pretty much look exactly the same. They are pretty much exactly the same. There's no question about it. And you're going to just go ahead, you're going to install your gasket. Same way it came out with the little thing on top. Then you go ahead and stick on your new throttle body. Alright, plug it in. After you go ahead and you bolt it in, you plug it in. Put the air box back on and the snorkel. Pull your mass airflow back in, that back in, bolt it in. All right, so now that's all set. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna clear the code, and fire it on up, and hopefully that fixed the issue. Then we're gonna fire her right on up. crap ton better idle. Does not shake. It doesn't feel like it's gonna die on me. Nice and smooth. Perfect. Alright, and that's how you change the throttle body on these Fords. It's a common issue on most Fords. Ford even knows it. It's a common issue. They have some recalls and whatnot. So make sure you look into that. But the one thing is Ford wants you to take it in, of course, when they look at it. They're going to charge you $100 to Diagnostic to take a quick look at it. And they're only going to replace the ones that were manufactured in a certain plant in the world, and there's going to be a serial number, manufacturing date on the side of that throttle body, and it has to match up with what they want to, you know, give you a free one within the warranty, within the recall, such and such thing. But it won't do any of that unless your computer takes it and it stores it into its you know, log inside the computer. If it doesn't do that, they're gonna charge you for everything, even though they already know that that's the issue. So be well aware of that, because you can just replace it for yourself for under $100. It is that easy and that simple to do. It took me, I don't know, like 4 minutes, 5 minutes, or even less if I wasn't filming, type of deal. So now this one here is pretty simple to change stuff. I've done some stuff that is a complete bear to get to. Most throttle bodies are on the top and whatnot, but like stuff is over it, and that's just a pain in the butt to get to. So this is something that anyone can do and stuff like that. And I know this isn't as good as Scotty Kilmore's video, but it's gotta be up there, huh? All set and done. Turn it on, let it idle, let it learn itself. You don't have to get this thing programmed or anything like that. Let it idle for a little bit, then take it for a spin, a smooth spin. Don't freaking be gunning it and whatnot. It needs to learn itself. So go ahead and do that. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Simple, quick little diagnostic and fix for you guys. Common issue on a lot of Fords. So as always, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching.